Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, there we have it. Strong move down. Looks a bit like a third wave. Again, you know, if you like to have really up-to-date updates, then check out the Gold membership. I did highlight already up here just when it started on Telegram that I think this consolidation is coming to an end. We might get a deeper correction as per this wave count. So that was updated after the video because I can't always do a video when I update. So I do that on signals and the live charts. As a member, you can see all the live charts. And I've made the shorter correction the more shallow correction the alternative. So I've upgraded the deeper correction to the primary just based on what I see. I already highlighted earlier today to you that this move up could just have been a wave 2. And because it was very ugly, yeah, not a nice impulse. So it looks like we are currently in a third wave down. Bitcoin is also breaking out of its triangle, so that was anticipated, no surprise here. And Ethereum is following along. It's just that here we didn't have a nice triangle that was very clear. But yeah, I think we are now in a third wave down. Again, as long as we're holding 1470, no problemo. And what would be now the count? So we look at the move up as a wave 1. We look at the move down as a wave 2. And the potential is there to get all the way down to 1608 to 1472. At least based on what I see at the moment. Obviously, things are moving very, very quickly. So if we measure that and say, all right, the move of the high was a wave 1. The move to the upside was the wave 2. Then ideal target for the third wave would actually be 1569. So we're looking here at the third wave target, 1569. That is within the yellow box, very close to the 61.8 retracement at 1552. So that's sort of where we are. I mean, there is no change to the scenario overall. The idea is still that as long as we're holding 1472, we have a chance to rally in the third wave afterwards. And it looks like that we finally get that deeper pullback that we wanted to see, because Bitcoin's pullbacks were so shallow. So maybe now we finally come down. But Bitcoin hasn't even reached the first support area. So let's see. Let's go back to the ETH chart. There is not much more to add. So again, wave 1 to the upside. Yeah, that is known. Then the move down was an A wave, overshooting B wave, and now the C wave down. That's fine. Gave you just a target for the third wave. That's all right. We know the support area. That's very well defined. And now let's take a look at the ETH BTC chart. Just wanted to highlight that as well. What has changed? Has anything changed? So if we zoom in a little bit, this actually looks like we might still be in this Elliott Wave triangle. Even though it looked already complete, yeah, it sort of hasn't really followed to the upside. Yeah, the idea was that we are obviously in a downtrend with ETH BTC in a 5-wave move after this larger Elliott Wave triangle broke on the 13th of March. And since then we have been following the count nicely. Looks to me currently that we could be in this B wave triangle still. Let me just move that aside here, move that along. So, right. That this sideways movement that we look at on the ETH BTC chart is just a B wave here, yeah, and E wave needs to move, D wave needs to move, so like that. And we could then very shortly expect a C wave in wave 2. I mean, the wave 2 could already be finished. The main point here that I try to make is that there is nothing bullish on this chart at the moment, yeah. Continuation to the downside is preferred. Sideways action at the moment. A little bit higher wouldn't really matter in a C wave as long as it stays below the A wave high. So that would be at 0.0654. So yeah, let's see. For now, they're moving very much in line, but I would expect it to continue to break down unless it really breaks impulsively above the 0.065 level. But yeah, again, ETH UTC, ETH USD, that count should tell you quite a bit about where I expect it to go. So unless it really stops at 1662, which I don't think anymore, which is also why I upgraded it sort of an hour ago or half an hour ago to the alternative, I would expect now a move into the yellow box. All right, that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.